Hi, my name is Blake Shannon, and I work for Planar Motor Incorporated, a Rockwell automation technology partner. Rockwell Automation is partnered with Planar Motors to offer magnetically levitated 6 degrees of freedom planar motors that integrate seamlessly with the logic controllers using Ethernet IP. As a solid-state solution, each mover has no cables or batteries and thus requires no maintenance. With this product, it's possible to transport materials independently anywhere on the planar motor surface, all while using the familiar Studio 5000 Logix Designer paired with the trusted logic controller from Rockwell Automation. With built-in pathfinding, we can help you achieve unlimited flexibility with minimal effort, all while significantly reducing the machine floor space. For more information, please visit us on the partner locator. Thank you.